Good morning everyone, welcome to the Model Railway Shop, and this is a quick tutorial on how to solder two wires to the track. Hi everyone, first step is to tin the wire and before soldering I'd always tin it myself, as you can see. Secondly, just put a dab of solder on the bottom of the rail. Excuse me for taking time, but I'm not very experienced at all this. Thanks. As you can see, I've soldered a bit of solder on the bottom of the rail. Next up is to attach the wire to the bit of solder. Again, excuse me, I'm not the best at soldering, but I am giving it a go. As you can see, I've soldered a bit of solder on the bottom of the rail. Next, as you can now see, I've attached the wire to the bottom of the rail. Hi again, as you can see, I'm doing the same process the other side, but obviously use a black wire, not a red wire. I'm only showing you this for demonstration purposes. Next, get your wire and attach that to the rail, as I'm just about to show you. Obviously be careful, the soldering iron will be hot, so you could burn yourself if you're not being careful. But excuse me, again, my soldering isn't the best, but I am giving it a go.